Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a full page screenshot with a Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S. And first let me show you the basic way to do it. So you need to open your settings. Right here, make sure that in additional settings and gesture shortcuts you have take screenshot volume down plus power key enabled. It should be set to enable by default. Now make sure to open any settings that allow any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case, I chose a settings. Here also make sure that you're on top of the page and then press on the power key and volume down key at the same time. This will make a screenshot. On this pop-up, click on scroll and it should begin scrolling down the entire page. You can click on done anytime when you're satisfied with the amount of a screenshot, or wait till it reaches a button and then it should stop automatically. Here we have a full page screenshot. Now, other ways to do it is to again open additional settings, go for gesture shortcuts, and here enable both of these settings. Next is double tap fingerprint sensor, and here you can also choose to make a screenshot. Now let's open settings again, make sure you're on top of the page, and slide down your 3 fingers from top of the screen to make the same screenshot and then scroll it down. And the last feature is to double tap on the fingerprint sensor. It's located right here where the power key is, so do not press it, just tap it. And it also makes a screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.